Hey everybody, so today we have here a repair that we actually did do. This is for the Lenovo 910 13 IKB, and if you're not too familiar with it, well, you will be now for a bit. Alright, and for this model, this is a very interesting model, how it does have actually the shape of, I don't know about the shape, but the hinge and everything is metal hinged here, and you can see that actually is, it's very unique, and it's very difficult to remove, especially if you're doing a screen replacement or anything like that. There is also a cable flap here, and this is what we're really going to talk about. So there's no easy way to actually remove it if we show you here. So if we actually do show you here. So the cable sticks out. It's actually connected to LCD, and the LCD, if you flip it here, is actually part of this. And it's a very difficult repair if you're going to just be getting the cable. There's no reason to actually be getting the cable. For this one in particular, we actually did fix the board here. And this board actually did have a lot of liquid damage, and there was a liquid spill actually on this actual board itself. We did repair the components, we replaced them, and we fixed and we cleaned up any liquid damage that we did see that was there. And it does turn on. We did get it to work. If you put it on like an external monitor, it worked totally fine. It boots. So any type of liquid spills that you actually do see, especially for any type of laptops, any type of repair for the repair technician, especially if it's a laptop that's completely dead like this one. There could be other issues that do come up, so we could put in all the work, we can make it turn on, and then there could still be some other issues, maybe a keyboard issue, or maybe it needs a new battery, or just any other type of issues that can come up. We need to actually repair this cable. So let's go see if we can do it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can just remove part of the covering here. And what that's going to do is, again, it's going to allow the actual cable to be exposed, so we can just make the trace lines ourselves. Because not all of it is completely damaged, even though it looks like it's completely corroded. And we just want to make basically a donor piece of cable that's going to be there as like basically a replacement. What we want to do is we want to basically replicate the traces that are on the actual cable itself, and we want to put some new ones on. So for something like this, it's going to be very, very difficult. Obviously, we need to have a donor cable that's going to be sized absolutely perfectly. And you want to do this again with a very, very fine edge, and you need to have a very, very steady hand, because just a little bit of damage will make this trace not work very well. And you want to size it perfectly, so we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to do it with all of these. If the line is too thick, and it's going to touch other trace lines that are going to be there. And after you size it, now we can at least put it on the new ones. We can solder it. And again, you need to be extremely careful, because you can burn that cable, or you can melt some of the traces that are actually on the other cable. There's a few of them here, so let's just finish up with these. here's the end product of the actual cable itself, and you can see it actually looks to be pretty good. The trace is making contact with the actual end of the cable, which the covering's been removed, and we're making a good trace line that is going to be basically a representation of what the original is. Let's go see if it works. It actually worked. And look, we get a display. Everything looks to be pretty good there, and we're very happy about that. Unfortunately, when you have any type of liquid damage, other things can be impacted as well, and you can see how just doing just the component level repair isn't enough, and there also can be extra things that go on top of that. I mean, it's hard to always tell, especially if something doesn't work from when you just do a repair for it, but there's obvious damage, maybe like any type of corrosion that you can really see. So leave a like if you found it informative, subscribe for more content, hit the notification bell to know when we do upload, and of course check out our store. We have lots of stuff, and all the contact information is in the link in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.